First robots in Mars rover. It is robots used to explore the planet's Mars. This robot has several main parts such as camera, sensor, well, and a robotics arm. The camera has it take picture of the surface of Mars, while the sensor collects important information about rock, soil, and temperature. The wa- the well allows the robots to remote across the raw ground. My rover has session this study Mars uh, withdraw sending human ray, which can be very dangerous. I like this robot because it is very intelligent and useful. It has human discover new things about space and learn more about other planets. Thank you for listening.